Kushi's World with me, Kushi. So today I'm with again a very interesting video which will make your time pass and even your home will look with so much beautiful with my today's DIY. So many of you are having this spots. You brought it for decoration but you don't have flowers. So today I'm going to fill this vase with a flower with the help of, oh my god, something inside. This thing, oh my god, it's a tissue paper. Yeah, it's nothing else than tissue paper. I'll even show you, wait. Really, this flower was gonna make all your friends, relatives who come to your home jealous, and even they'll ask you how did you make it. So please recommend my channel Kushi's World, and don't forget say them even to subscribe, like, comment to my channel. So yeah, so this is a tissue, normal tissue, nothing else, just a normal tissue. Now with help of this tissue I'm gonna make beautiful flowers for this vase. But before that I'm even gonna take white tissue, I'm even gonna take colored tissue. Now for the second thought, how to make the colored tissue. So for making the colored tissue, what you should take a big vessel, like round vessel, any vessel you can take, it's up to you, your wish. Fill it with water, and you know small Fevicryl acrylic colors come, yeah, that one you should take in brush, like dip the brush in that, dip the same painted colored brush in the water and just move like this, like move it so the colors dissolve in water. After that what you should do is take the tissue, you should fold it like this, just dip this tissue in the water properly so it soaks all the water and the color comes on it. After that take the tissue out. Next, in this tapping manner, you can see this like this tapping manner, remove all the excess water present on the tissue. After that keep that tissue aside for at least 2 hours or more than 2 hours so it gets dried off. After drying, just make sure slowly you remove it and open it. After opening, even you keep for half an hour because inside the water will still be, or it will not, what will say, vaporize. So let it be. After that your colored tissues are ready. I'll show you. I prepared some tissues. I'll show you them. So yeah, let's see them. So guys, these are my tissues. See, I painted this. This is a skin color, and this is pink color. Pink. Actually, from all those I like this pink color. It's look so cute. Yeah. This is the blue color. This looks like same as the mask, you know, mask color. Now, and this is the green color. Now, what you should do is take the tissues. You should see one thing. The top part you should keep like this and cut in this manner only. Okay, now this is the top part. You think if I'm holding it like this, do mention you cut like this. Cut the strips of the tissue. These are my old tissues. Now see, I have already cutted them. I'll show you one. This is the green one. This is the pink one. This is the skin. White and blue. Yeah, I have taken white also. So it looks so nice. Now what you should do is, see, I'll show you. I said I'll show. So yeah, see, you can see like this. You should cut strips like this. Make sure they should be long. If they are long, then only you can make this flower for the vase. Okay, let's keep this aside. Again, if it's broke, my mom will kill me. So yeah, now what you should do is like, you know, when you buy a mouse or any wire thing, on the wire you get like this thing which rotates and sticks. You need that thing. It can be plastic, can be metal. Now I know you can't see this, but I'll keep a photo here. You can see. Now what you should do is keep this all aside. So now it's gonna be really fun. What you should do is take, oh my god, my jacket is tucking. Well, how am I looking? Please comment, okay? Now what you should do is take one strip of each color. I've taken skin. Like not only these colors, you can take any colors which you like. You can even make yellow, red, anything you can make. It's up to you which colors you want. You can even do just with white, and what to do is take a brush and put some color, and when you make the flower on the up, you just dust it or brush it so it looks more nice. So yeah, now I am done. This is for the first one. Keeping this aside, now what you should do is all the strips you should assemble in a same line like this. If it's big, small, nothing happens. Still your flower will look beautiful. See, you should place in this manner all the things. Now the main things come, how to fold it. First thing, fold it on the first side, on the front. Then turn it, put it on the back side. Now continue this process until it ends. And like this. Just make sure the lines are equal so nothing gets distracted while you are making the flower. I'm seriously gonna say this flower is gonna really look superb. It's like this. I'm making this flower with tissue because most of us have many tissues at home and they are just lying over simply, so I thought let's make with tissues. Why to waste paper actually? So yeah, now I'm done, and yes, exactly, my tissues ended well. You can see them here. You can see like this. Now what you should do is hold it like this. Now I said the string cut. Now already have a small one, but I'll cut and show. Like you all know how to cut, but you should cut somewhat bigger. It's small actually. I'll use it for small flower. Cut it. Keep it aside. Now what you should do is this string you should place exactly in the middle. Now this is the tissue. Place exactly in the middle. Fold it. Oh no, this is also short now. No, it's perfectly, yeah, it fits. Now what you should do is fit in the middle and exactly middle, and now twist it so it locks. Okay, it locks. Now after this, what you should do is spread your thing like this, downwards, upwards. After doing this, what you should do is, now you can see, now you have placed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 color, like 5 tissue papers. Now what you should do is gently remove one tissue up and puff it up. Okay, so let's start. See, I'll show you. Now this is, first is my pink one, so I'm removing pink. You can see like this. Should remove all the colors slowly because it's tissue paper, it's delicate. If it's torn, then it will not look nice, but even it will cover, no props if it's torn. Yeah, remove slowly, gently. Okay, yeah, see, now you can see. First, see, now you can see the difference. Pink I have removed. Like that, each and every color paper you should remove. Now next is white. You can even take other colors. You can take even single colors, double, like only white, or only green, or only pink. I have taken all mix, so it looks beautiful. Now I have opened even white. Now it's turn off green. Now I take green. Yeah. Actually, you know, this pink color tissue paper is not of pink color. Actually, I dipped it in red color, but it turned out to be what will say pink. So I tried pink, but it was light, so I removed it. I didn't kept in video. But you do try all the colors, please. So done with green. Now comes blue. Now yellow. Now after doing this, see, I tore. I know it will happen with me. Now see, I have opened it. Now what you should do is just puff it upways like this. And if you feel it any extra or you want to give it nice look, crush look, so you can cut it like this. So you can see I'm cutting. You can make the top more elegant and like that, and downer one so simple. You can even do that. So now you can see, my god, this really looks super. You can see. Now I'm gonna make this more and more, like in the quantity of 10 to 15 or 9 to 8. You can make it as your wish. So yeah, let's make it. So guys, now I have made all the flowers. Now what I'm gonna do is, but I'm sorry I already did this because it's gonna take time, but I'll show you how to do. What I did is took the flower and attached it to this paper roll. Now I did for the all, so you can see this everything. So I'll show you how to do. So first take the flower, and the string should be bigger. Make sure it comes out like this. You can see. Now I know you can't see like this. What the thing you should do is, you will have like this stick. Take the paper, roll the stick. You know how to do. So you should take a roll out this. Now take glue inside of here. Place the glue. Perfect. Now you should like all around the sides, and back of the flower on the stick, and some on the flower, so the paper sticks properly. Now just like this, just stick it nicely. You can see now it's stick properly. Now you can see done. Now this is done. It will take some time to stick. So it's done. Now take the vase. Now take the flowers, place it in any way, however you want, like this. Now make one flower big so it fits in the middle like this. It's looking really very beautiful. The colors are looking very bright. Like I'll turn it and show it to you. See, you can see the colors look so bright and the walls is looking super very nice. So yeah, please try this flower vase. Not the vase, try the flowers, try the sticks. Try to decorate your home, keep your home clean, safe and hygiene, and Do tell me how did you like my this video. Please like if you like the video, and do comment like did you like this, or you want other videos like this only, like DIYs or any other video which you want me to do. And even share my video to all your other friends, family members. And yeah, do subscribe my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon. Oh my god, I forgot one thing. Yeah, now we are 102 members family. Please, 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 I want this number to go on increase. This is in your hand. Please share my video to most of the members. Say them to like, say them to subscribe, even say them to share to other members. And yeah, that's it. So thank you for today. Bye.